Hi there. Welcome to this video about artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. These machines use algorithms and data to learn and make decisions on their own, without being explicitly programmed to do so. There are several types of AI, including narrow or weak AI. Weak AI is designed to perform a specific task. Strong AI has the ability to learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can. AI has many practical applications, including image and speech recognition, language translation, and self-driving cars. It is also used in healthcare, finance, and education to improve efficiency and accuracy. However, AI also raises ethical concerns, such as the potential for job displacement and the need for responsible use and regulation. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our lives in countless ways, but it is important to carefully consider its impact and use it responsibly. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for centuries, with roots dating back to ancient Greek mythology. However, the modern field of AI was founded in the 1950s, with the development of the first artificial neural network and the proposal of the Turing Test by British mathematician Alan Turing. The Turing Test, also known as the imitation game, is a test for evaluating a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from that of a human. It was proposed by British mathematician Alan Turing in 1950 as a way to determine a machine's ability to think. The test consists of a human evaluator who engages in a natural language conversation with another human and a machine, without knowing which is which. If the evaluator is unable to distinguish the machine from the human based on the conversation, the machine is said to have passed the Turing test. The Turing test has been widely used as a benchmark for artificial intelligence and has inspired many research efforts in the field. However, it has also been criticized for its focus on human-like behavior rather than true intelligence, and for its reliance on subjective evaluations by human evaluators. Despite these criticisms, the Turing test remains an important concept in the field of AI and continues to be widely discussed and debated. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research focused on creating intelligent systems performing specific tasks, like playing chess or translating languages. This type of AI is known as narrow or weak AI. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research expanded to include the development of general or strong AI, which has the ability to learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can. Today, AI continues to evolve and is being applied in a wide range of fields, from healthcare and finance to education and transportation. The field is constantly evolving, with new advancements and innovations being made all the time. Here are a few interesting facts about artificial intelligence that you may not know. AI has been used to create music and art. In the past, AI has been used to generate original music and paintings, using algorithms to analyze and mimic the styles of famous artists. AI has been used to predict and prevent crime. In some cities, AI has been implemented to analyze crime patterns and predict where crimes are likely to occur. AI has been used to discover new drugs. In the pharmaceutical industry, AI has been used to analyze vast amounts of data and identify potential drug candidates for further testing. AI has been used to improve agriculture. AI has the potential to revolutionize agriculture by analyzing data on weather, soil conditions, and crop growth to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. AI has been used to improve customer service. Many companies use AI to handle customer inquiries and complaints, using natural language processing to understand and respond to customer needs. Overall, AI has the potential to transform many industries and improve our lives in countless ways, and there are likely many more interesting and innovative uses for AI that we have yet to discover. There are many artificial intelligence projects being worked on around the world. Here are a few examples of current AI projects that are making significant progress. Self-driving cars. AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles that can navigate roads and make decisions without human intervention. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and reduce accidents caused by human error. Medical AI. AI is being used to analyze medical data and assist doctors in diagnosing and treating diseases. It can also be used to predict patient outcomes and identify potential epidemics. Predictive maintenance. AI is being used to analyze data from machines and predict when they are likely to fail, allowing companies to schedule maintenance before problems occur. This can improve efficiency and reduce downtime. Natural language processing. AI is being used to improve machine understanding of human language and enable communication between humans and computers. This technology is used in virtual assistants and translation services. Think about the OpenAI ChatGPT model. Robotics. AI is being used to develop robots that can perform tasks in a variety of environments, including manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture. These are just a few examples of the many AI projects being worked on around the world. This field is constantly evolving and new projects are being developed all the time. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform the world in many ways, both positive and negative. Here are a few ways in which AI could potentially impact society. Increased efficiency. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions faster than humans, potentially increasing efficiency in many industries. For example, self-driving cars could reduce traffic congestion and accidents, and AI-powered customer service could improve response times. Job displacement. AI has the potential to automate certain jobs, potentially leading to job displacement in some industries. However, AI may also create new jobs in fields such as data analysis and AI development. Improved healthcare. AI can analyze medical data and assist doctors in diagnosing and treating diseases. It can also be used to predict patient outcomes and identify potential epidemics. Enhanced education. AI can be used to personalize learning and adapt to the needs of individual students, potentially improving educational outcomes. Greater accessibility. AI has the potential to make certain services and products more accessible to people with disabilities, such as through the use of assistive technology. Overall, the impact of AI on society will depend on how it is developed and used. It is important for society to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that it is used responsibly. Thank you for watching our introductory video about artificial intelligence. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on future videos from Stuff About Stuff.